Hi y'all, welcome to my blog. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the plant life on FSU. Now behind me we have a Japanese plum tree. Colloquially it's also called a lopot. Now these fruit, they look like this, and to be honest, these are one of my favorite types of fruit. This one's a bit sweeter. When you get them younger, they're more sour. These are actually a part of the rose family, which if you know anything about like the development of roses, it's actually not that weird to compare these to a rose tree, especially in how the seeds develop. Because in a rose hip they have 3 to 5 seeds, and the same goes for the types of fruit that develop on these trees. Alright, the next I'm going to show you is a plant that's over there. So we're over here by Dirac Library, and around Dirac Library there's these plants called Oregon grapes. They're actually edible, and they taste like blueberries, kale, and broccoli, but they're actually really disgusting. I'll be honest with you. They say they're edible, but they taste horrible. So I'm not even going to eat these. That's really all I know about Oregon grapes. Now I'm going to tell y'all about some normal clovers. Now what people don't know about clovers is that they're actually edible. Now I'm not going to eat any because I'm sure that's disgusting. But a lot of people on the internet say that clovers actually taste a lot better when they're boiled. Now things about clovers is that they come, like, you know about 4-leaf clovers. They're actually more common than you can think of. I'm sure if we did a video on it, I would find one in 17 minutes or so. Alright, that's all I really know about clovers. The next thing I'm going to tell y'all is about some flowers. Right now I'm in front of some Confederate Star Jasmine. Confederate Star Jasmine is actually edible, but I wouldn't recommend eating it because just because it won't kill you doesn't mean that it does taste good. And it's also very similar to the Carolina Star Jasmine, which has yellow flowers. These are white flowers. So even you can't tell the difference. Confederate Star Jasmine will in fact kill you if eaten. Now what is great about Confederate Star Jasmine is that it actually smells like sassafras, which is used to make root beer. So a lot of soda drinkers will probably opt to get this flower in their backyard because it fills the whole area with the smell of root beer. Now Confederate Star Jasmine originally was in some Asian countries and probably referred to as Star Jasmine, but a lot of Southerners used it because it was good along fence lines and stuff, and that's how it got the name Confederate Star Jasmine. Now, man, yeah, that's all I know about Confederate Star Jasmine. It's a really neat flower, and I like it, and you can find it all along FSU's campus. Now, I'm going to talk more about FSU campus plant life in the future, and for that, you need to like, comment, and subscribe.